I'm in an Audi RS5. Next to me is a Mercedes C63 S, and beyond that is a BMW M4. In the M4 we've got a guest driver, we've got Paul Wallace from Supercars of London, and we'll be seeing how he gets on in that car because he drives an M3, so he should be pretty good in the M4, should be nice and familiar. Anyway, let's get on with the race. Away first, four-wheel drive traction. Blimey, this thing flies. It's got ahead, but is that Mercedes coming back? I don't think he's going to get me to the standing quarter, but he's definitely coming back. Oh, and that was close.
Okay, let's have a quick recap. The RS5 did the standing quarter mile in 12.1 seconds. The C63S took 12.3 seconds. And the M4, 12.6 seconds. In a moment, we're going to have a rolling race between the three cars. But first, let's talk more numbers. The Audi RS5 has a 2.9 litre twin-turbo V6 with 450 horsepower and 600 Newton meters. It does 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. The BMW M4 has a 3 litre twin-turbo straight 6, and as this one is the competition pack, it has 450 horsepower and 550 Newton meters. It does 0 to 60 miles an hour in 4 seconds. Mercedes-AMG C63S has a 4 litre twin-turbo V8 with 510 horsepower and 700 Newton meters. It can do 0 to 60 miles an hour in 3.9 seconds. To see the best deals on these cars, click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to go to carwow.co.uk. Right, now you're all geeked out on the numbers, it's time for the next challenge.
Let's see what happens in a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. We've got all our cars in sports mode, they're in automatic and dynamic. It's a realistic situation, you're there on the motorway, someone challenges you, you want to see what happens. Right then guys, 3, 2, 1, go! God, this takes ages to kick down. That Mercedes is gone. What's happening between this and the M4? I think the M4 is getting a bit of a lead, and I think that's all over now, people. That was pretty obvious, wasn't it? Yeah, good car for launching because of the all-wheel drive, but the reality, out on the road, other German cars are quicker. And that C63, that's 2 extra cylinders for you, and an extra litre. Yeah, pretty clear that one. I think it's a win for CarWow.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it and click on our logo to subscribe or the link below to visit Paul's channel. Also click on the windows to watch more of our awesome content.